Good morning. So what we have here is one of the rooms that I do maintenance on. It's not much. Used to be just an old motel room. Small kitchenette. No issues there at this stage. I do have repairs that need to get done later on. When I say no issues at this stage, we won't be addressing them today. So we just had the plumber in yesterday, changing over taps. Today, what we have to do, simple little job, change over shower head. Nothing much. We will have to come back at some stage today to do some more repairs. As you can see, we've got some rust. Both sides of the door frame, as well as panel damage at the base of the cabinetry. Most of the time I'm having to redo paint after a tenant's vacated, but this is only a short-term lease, fresh paint done previously. So here we will attack the shower head. Pretty easy on this one. It was going to remove all the plumber's tape. Must be inside the spouting itself. Only minimal on the threads. Looking at the direction of threading, this way. Done. So I'm doing it the correct way. Oh. Let's do this one done. So, pretty simple. This one's just a spare one that I've had floating around as joys of living in Alice Springs. Things just take time to arrive and Bunnings is out of stock. So, turning on of the tap, checking for leaks. Okay, so we'll turn the head slightly because currently I have no curtain. No leakage there, no leakage there. Turning off of water. That is that one done. So, another job while I'm here, just noticed that said drawer does not close all the way. Actually, it has a rebound. So you leave it sit there for a while, it'll actually pull back out. So down the side here, little plastic tabs. Different ones. These ones are a pull action. So give me a second, I will undo it. Okay, that took longer than expected. So said plastic tab, usually you'd have one that would come push up and pull out. This one here is actually a pull latch. So when it's locked in, pull back, pull draw. Right, that would explain why the door catches. And said rodent mess. Okay, Alright. We'll save that cleaning for later. But for now, what I will do is I will pull the drawer completely out and lay it on the ground because I will need, wait for the light, when replacing this panel later on, I will need to remove screws, and we'll have more screws up inside here, which if we take a look, no, and that one, not sure if you can see that, there is screws in there. What we do have to contend with is leads from induction cooktop. That's going to require some maintenance too. The leads are meant to be secured to the underside of the bench. Missing piece. Lovely. The gift that keeps on giving. Okay, so getting back to repairs of cabinetry. Might as well cut this up, ready to go. So, sit that one here. Here's camera so we can see. There. Right. As I don't want this to go travelling all over the place, this secure it back here. Why am I using my welding table? Well, currently don't have enough space in workshop to be able to do multiple things. This space is a premium. We'll be doing it this way for now. Eventually the plan is to put a removable top on the welding table, but that is a later on thing. So, using of level to support circular saw. Should go this way. So that is the face to go out on the outside of the cabinetry. Inside will be cutting surface. Alright, power lead installed. On said thing, we are 34mm. So here, way, we get to measure out 35mm. From there to there, 35. There, 35. So, and that piece is done. So we've removed these two screws already. Damn phone memory, I didn't save recording. So we can see two more screws up here. Already taken two out there, and that is for the bottom panel, the side panel here. So we'll do, so we will remove these two screws. One. And two. Lift it all in there. Let's see. Up into here. Extensive water damage on the bottom here, which we will then replace with the new panel. Just give me a sec. Alright, so new panel, not secure as yet. Had to cut out silicone in the bottom. Don't mind the knife, it's just there to support it so it sits further up into the cabinet. Next aim is to secure it in there, come back, tidy up all around here, re-silicone the whole area, and that job will be done. Next part will be to re-secure everything under here, put cabling back up over here in some fashion. Stay tuned. Alrighty, so new silicone. It's just a patch job for now. Silicone all the way around the bottom. So after doing some further investigation, we found more water damage. Now, all this cabinetry is now going to have to get replaced at some stage. In the short term, we're just doing a patch job. So re-siliconing around here, silicone down the edge there, as we had a number of cracks in the grout. So, for now, this job is done. Oh, and we got the back up in here. So that's been cable tied to one side just to allow it to rest in there. Again, as all this cabinetry and benchtop is going to have to be replaced at some stage, we are not going too much into repairs now. When I do that stuff, we're going to have to do some more repair work on the ceiling and possibly some more paint. Again, number of spots that are starting to crack. But yeah, stay tuned for some more. No idea what we're going to be doing for the rest of the day, as it's really, really miserable outside today. In November in Alice Springs, we would be thinking that it's hot, but currently not so the case today.
Flashback.
And here we are with another job for the day. Same complex. Storm come through here the other day, and it has smashed out fence panels off post and bent post. So we've done, dig a hole, install a stronger post, one that won't bend. Joys of old rusted round post. They bend, with the aim, long term, the whole length of this property down to here is only about 5 foot fence. We're running barbed wire along the whole top. Alright, so we've got a marking there for the top piece of wood. Going to drill through that, then run our screw into that to secure it to the wall or to the fence temporarily, and then add some concrete. Once the concrete's dry, we'll then screw the fence to this post. Right, there is post secured. Now for concrete. Alrighty, time for some quick set in the hole. Now, I'm going to fast forward through this because I'm pretty sure a lot of people actually know how to pour concrete from a bag. So, knife, bag.
Six hours later.
Alright, so it's been a few hours. Here we are on the other side of the fence. Now, new post down there. So what we're going to have to do, one finger. There's a new post. Also put one there. Right. New screw. New screw. Now, we'll do this one-handed. Now we're getting it from the top of here. So it's secure, because the length of the screw isn't quite right. Okay, that took a lot more force than it should have. Alright, go down to the next one. Some upside down. Alright, so that is secure. Now, we'll be coming along at a later date and putting barbed wire along, hence why this post is higher than the rest of it.